Do I look cool, guys? Do I look cool? Do I look cool? What's up? I'm not a creeper. Hey everyone, what's up? We're making a video. This is a video and you're watching it.
After spending time with the cousin, he rented a car, then got on the ferry, on his way to Olympic National Park.
Okay, lane one. Got it. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. That's what we do. This is what it looks like. All these cars are coming in. And then you just park your car and go. But I guess there's two different ways to get in. There's a way to get in that's just straight in here, and then there's a way that you pay first, then you go in here. What's really weird is I didn't get checked if I paid when I went in here, but I did. But the funny thing is I almost went in here before I paid, and then I turned around, found the right way, the little booth that pays, and then it took me back around to where I needed to go to pay, and then where I needed to go to get in, or whatever. I think you understand. So now I'm back in the car and just waiting for them to let us go. We've probably got a few minutes, but pretty cool. If you're gonna take this, it's obvious you gotta go to the top, the sun deck. Check that out. I think there's food there. I smelled food. Didn't really look though. But it's only 30 minutes, so it's worth at least going to the top, checking out the sun deck if you haven't seen it yet. So it looks like the cars are moving, so it's time to go. The cabin that I'm staying in. You can see it's pretty quiet. There's like nothing out here. And even on the way here, it's pretty like out of the way, but not so far out of the way. Praise God, it's super cool. And it's very rainy, so yeah. Okay, so this Airbnb is super awesome, but it's probably gonna be hard to find and confusing for people. It's actually right next to this what is this, trucking and repair place. So I just wanted to put that on video so you can see. You drive up there and then you drive up this way, right? You drive past it, keep going, and then you see a little sign right there that says Airbnb. Turn in there, and then look at this, it's so cool. And then for my cabin, it's going to be the first turn right here, and then booyaka. This is it. Yesterday was really, really rainy, so I didn't get to see Port Angeles and Hurricane Ridge, which I guess I could probably just come back another time. I really love this area of Washington. It is so beautiful, so green, so majestic, even with the fog over the mountains. It's so cool. It actually made me rewrite the location for one of my stories I'm working on. And it actually fits really well. The drive itself is about from Forks to the Hoh Rainforest Visiting Center is about an hour drive through this like green, beautiful scenery that you see before you. Anyway, so today's video is going to be mostly focused on Olympus National Park, and we're gonna go to one of the things that I want to see the most is the Hoh Rainforest. I'm sure it's like probably the most popular thing to do there, but we'll probably see some other stuff too. I'm not really sure. We'll kind of just wing it. All right, here we are. It's I just parked over there on the side. Hopefully I'm not in the way. No, I'm not on the line. I'm good. It's actually raining a bit, so I'm not sure how much I'll be able to film, but oh well if I get this camera wet. My iPhone's actually looks better, so maybe I'll use that, and it's waterproof. But yeah, so we're on our way to the visiting center as it rains, and raindrops are hitting my lens, so I gotta clean this off. All right, see ya, bye. Get the name to
Sure, yes. Going off to the left is the Spruce Nature, is the Hall of Mosses. The bridge off to the right takes you to the Spruce Nature Trail and the Hoh River Trail.
Okay, cool, perfect. That's all I needed.
Cool.
Thank you, man. So we just talked to the really nice ranger in there named Mike or Michael, and he said that going through this way leads to the trails. And there's the Hall of Moss. Turn right, you get to the Hall of Moss. Alright, awesome. Let's start this trail. It's gonna be rainy, so I can put this on. Do I look cool, guys? Do I look cool? Do I look cool? What's up? I'm not a creeper. Alright, sorry, that's stupid. Actually, I don't need this. It's not raining that much. Anyways, let's check out this. Look at these trees, wow. Wow. What's over this way?
trees like this, and then there's like a really big like arched tree. That's
Oh, okay.
cool, but it's kind of all the same.
Okay. Thank you.
I don't know if you went at the beginning, but there was, or actually, yeah, if you go this way, there's like a little creek.
Oh, okay.
It's really cool.
Okay, cool, perfect, yeah. Oh yeah, it shows it right here. I feel like isolated. Can't hear anybody else here. Might be going the wrong way.
I wanna wander out of the valley where the river takes us far away from home. Time to ponder in the fields around me where there's nothing but the breeze and the great unknown. Leave your worries and your suitcase. All you don't need, nothing but you. So don't throw your hopes down a wishing well. It's your heart's desire carry you. Come and sail with me to the open ocean where you don't have to dream because there's you.
Okay, so it's been raining pretty much the whole time I've been on this trail. And it's pretty cool because to be in a rainforest while it's raining just makes sense, right? And I finally understand why it's called a rainforest. When you're away from everybody, it's super peaceful and it's just really nice. Hey guys, how are we doing? Good. No, go ahead. Go ahead. I'm just setting it up. Don't worry. Even if you're in it, don't worry. You'll be famous. I'm just kidding. This is for my family, so
That'll make it fair.
yeah, exactly. My mom will be like, "Who are they?" Hey guys, thanks for watching. Yeah, that's it.